Want to learn German anywhere, anytime? Get the Innovative Language 101 app for free.
Hi everybody, Anja here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher while I'll answer some of your most common German questions. The question for this lesson is, what is Denglisch? Denglisch, also called Anglizismen, are nouns that are derived from Deutsch, German, and English, English. These are nouns that look and sound like English words but aren't used in the same context. Some examples are handy, public viewing, mobbing, showmaster. Let's go over them so you can learn how to use these Denglisch words correctly. Handy doesn't mean something that's useful. Actually, it's a common word that was used for an older phones without screen. Nowadays, mobile phones are called smartphone or iPhone. Places where soccer games are screened publicly are called public viewing. This is when soccer fans go to a designated place to watch the game together. However, many English speakers confuse this with when you view your loved ones for the last time after they've already passed away. If someone is being bullied at work, it's called mobbing. This is not a large mob of people in a crowded area. It's often used to describe the difficult state of work life in Germany and is used when other coworkers are teasing or making fun of you. Showmaster, rather than the host of a show, is actually the person who moderates a show, the person who makes sure everything is running smoothly. These are just a few Denglisch words. Be sure to check out GermanPod101.com for more practice. How was this lesson? Pretty interesting, right? Do you have any more questions? Leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. Tschüss, bis zum nächsten Mal. Bye, see you next time.